Rick. I usually make music on this website. I sing a lot about fatherhood and parenthood, and then I also blog about it a lot. And if you read what I write, you know that our family is pretty natural, do the essential oil thing, and we eat mostly a plant-based diet. And so when I found out about this opportunity to shoot videos for this FineVine Organics company, I thought it might be fun. So they sent me the Super Balm. It's a natural antimicrobial and antiseptic. That's really hard to say, that took a lot of takes. If you look at the ingredients, it's mostly essential oils, tea tree, eucalyptus, things we use in our daily life. Nothing artificial about it, it's all organic. So what is this for? Any kind of rash, fungus. Thankfully, I don't have any of those things right now, but I am going to open it up, smell it, see what it feels like. So open it up, simple container, FineVine Super Balm. Oh, you can smell the eucalyptus, smell the lavender. Just a nice cream. Got some texture to it. And just knowing that it's all essential oils, all natural, just feels so much safer putting it on things. I'd put it on my kids. You can use it on your face, it's a more sensitive area. It's good for your first aid kit. It's good to keep around. You can feel the oils in there, the essential oils that are so good for you. Stick a wick in there and light a candle on it. That's how good it smells. Alright, so check out the FineVine Super Balm from FineVine Organics. All natural ingredients. It's good stuff. Antimicrobial, it's an